Hello, my friends. I am very, very, very excited to share this Fold It with you. Now, just a heads up, if you are not in the Stamps of Life Fold It Club, you cannot get this. So just close your eyes or go to the next video or whatever, because this is only for our Fold It Club members. The good news though is we order a little extra each month for new signups. So if you are not in the Fold It Club and you really want to see what this is and you're kind of thinking about it, guess what, my loves? You can join right now in this month and get this design. But if you sign up after this month, you can't get this design and I'm going to be really, really sad for you. So make sure you join now so you get this design, because this one is really beautiful. And in fact, when I designed it, I was thinking it was going to be awesome, but then when the design team gave me their samples, I went, whoa, better than I even thought, right? I mean, sometimes I knock my own socks off, and this time I did. So here we go. What is it? It is the A2 Pinecone Fold It set. What is a Fold It? Well, my friends, a Fold It is a shaped card that when folded fits in an A2 standard size envelope of the United States. Standard A2 size. Fits in an envelope. You can decorate it. You can add different things. I have lots of samples, but that is the Fold It. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, you're also getting 2 stencils, and let me show you what those look like, and it works perfect against my black shirt. But look at that. You're getting the fun, beautiful pine leaves and the pine cones. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, there's also another one, right? This one, look at how pretty this is. This is so you can add the little snow on top of your pine cone. You can add just a little bit more extra definition, or just add more interest to your pine cone, which is really fun. You also get, of course, a handy dandy postcard with lots of ideas. However, don't worry, there are more ideas on our website, so you can go check that out in our idea gallery. Now, if you're in the Fold It Club, chances are about 70% of you are also getting the stamps that match. Now, the stamps that match is an add-on. That is an optional item. If you don't get the stamps right now, you can go add them on right now. But look at how awesome these are. So they kind of like are with puns or phrases that match the subject. So here we go. Welcome winter. It's the season to be cozy. Pining for snow days and cocoa. Hello fall. Wishing you cozy moments, cozy vibes, and piney times. I also gave you 2 extra little pine cones to stamp on the back of your cards. Now, let's look at all the awesome samples, because they are amazing and they're so much fun. So here we go. Here's an example of one using our bold Merry Christmas on the front. You're going to be able to use all of those die word sets that you have just laying around on this set. It's so fun. Now let's see if I can find another. Here's another one. Peace. You don't have to do brown if you don't want to. Look at this blue. Isn't that stunning? You wouldn't think necessarily, but look at how beautiful that is. Here you go. Have it look like this snow. Isn't that fun? Isn't that gorgeous? This one's popped up too with foam squares. Adds just a little bit more interest, right? Here's one. Happy Thanksgiving. Isn't that great? The fun thing about pine cones is they are fall and they are winter. They can easily be both seasons. So that's like 6 months out of the year, right? You're going to be able to use this seasonally 6 months out of the year, which you can't say that about all Fold Its, right? Look at how gorgeous that is. So fun. Now, here's a gorgeous one. You can also put them on a 5x7 card base. Now, remember, they're A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This is a 5x7 card. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Now, oh, here's another one. Mary. See? And this is on an A2 card base. So you can put it A2 card base, 5x7 card base, or standard, right? The regular shaped card. But wait, there's more, my loves, because you can also put it on a banner. Look at how stunning that is. Isn't that beautiful? It's so fun. And scrapbook pages also. Perfect for scrapbook pages. But look at how beautiful. Seasons, greetings. It's so pretty. Now, here's another one that's going to wow you. Look at the stencil in the background. See that gorgeous stencil in the back? Oh, and I didn't even point out all the stencils on these. I'm going to go back and show you because I don't want you to miss out. Now, this one's really fun. Who did this one? Michelle did this one. Watch this. This part is a stand-up. That's the fold that you're getting in the club. And look at all the stencil work on there, how gorgeous that is. Open it up and it's still a card. Again, more stenciling on the inside. Isn't that stunning? Now let's look at, and then it stands like, oops, it stands like this. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let's look at the stenciling here. Here, I bet you this is Yvette. Yep, Yvette used, she embossed using the stencil. So you can gently see that in the background right here. Here you go, stenciling just in one color. Love that. Here is stenciling with multiple colors. Love that. So you're going to be using those stencils way more than you expect, right? Now, Folded Club members, you get to sit back, relax, and know this is on its way to you automatically. You don't have to worry about anything. If you are not in the Folded Club, I highly recommend you get in ASAP. We do order a few extra for new signups, but once those are gone, they're gone, and you just have to wait for the next month. So make sure you get in now if you want this awesome pine cone, because once it's gone, it won't be on our website. Okay? Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.